Sometimes we're left with no option but to blend in with the busy city. Our daily schedules put too much pressure on us that we often forget the purpose of our lives. Sometimes we forget that we need to spend time with ourselves. So I decided to go on a date with myself. So we decided to leave the noisy city behind just to spend time on our own.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We
Hello.
chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We wanted to be a part of the nature, far from the city where there is no traffic to make noise. I found company when I realized that I'm not the only one looking for peace. I found reason to smile. When I was enjoying my time, I noticed something that I had never seen before. I found someone who had decided to survive, to live, unlike many of us who are living to survive. He showed me we do not need money to be happy. He proved that there's no need for a car to reach his destination, for he had accepted the beautiful nature as his home. And at the end, I realized he was happy while many of us are buried under depression even after having so-called wealth. So, what did I learn from the date? It is not hard to be happy. We just need to decide. Take care. See you in another video. Till then, stay happy.